Let's go. Frankie casting Suhaka field. Last fly tonight. It's freaking cold and windy.
Never say your last flight.
High alpha. Can turn on a dime. Might blow alone. Got small batteries. He nose down, that's why he can't turn. Come right at us. Down the wrong way. Yeah. Illegal. Nobody's here though. Get back around. Get wipe alarm alerts everywhere. Can't see it all.
That was sick.
You go well past it. I can't see it. It's that close to the ground. Wow. Rifle alarm. Keep that right part right there. Right there, like kind of lose
it. Damn, I caught that too. That was sick. I got this whole thing on video.
A little bit of a freaking.
I'm just gonna go over here for a minute.
Hey, you're fine. Alright, I'm gonna land if I got the battery. I'm gonna wait somehow. Safe somehow.